most young people in this country are going to suffer very dearly for their docility and lack of political activism. We are going, people like me, we're just here, we live day to day. Any person bothering about me is a fool. I'm just living day to day, from day to day. I have nothing to lose. I have no real aspirations for myself. It's only for my country, my society, my grandchildren, not even my children. I've settled my children. Now, Nnamdi Kanu was brought to court recently. Before you come here to talk rubbish, Nnamdi Kanu had played several of my speeches.
My wonderful people, welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, my wonderful people, this video that you're about to watch, please do well to watch this video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part of this video, because this video have a very powerful message to all the Biafrans. Yes, because the enemies are not sleeping. That is why we too, we cannot sleep. We only bring in the truth to naked it, all of us to witness it. Yes, it doesn't matter what the enemies are doing. We are going ahead before them. Yes, because if we allow them, if we let the enemies to overpower us, which means they are going to defeat us. But it doesn't matter what the enemies are doing, what the Nigerian government are doing, all their propaganda and their blackmailing, they can never defeat the people of Biafra, because those things they know, we too will know it more than them. Yes, now the world is so socialized. On this 21st century, Nigeria government can never defeat the people of Biafra. Please, my wonderful people, watch this video. What if that share this video? Spread this message. As you're about to watch the video, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message all over the world. And do well to touch your hand for notification. So whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't get
in his broadcast before you. Nnamdi Kanu has played several of my messages on his broadcast, and they've sent them to me. So you are just, don't come here and talk like a fool. Nnamdi Kanu was taken to court. Only about 150 young Igbo boys were there, and they were singing peacefully. Nobody harassed them. However, I was thinking that if the Igbo young men in Abuja and environs should converge in that court area, there will be a massive crowd there that will go close to 500,000 people. And I have studied the judiciary all over the world. The judiciary has emotions. They fear crowd. They fear the voice of the people. And I suggest, I want to thank Abaribe, Senator Abaribe, for disrupting the Senate because of Nnamdi Kanu. I know Abaribe very well. I preached the day he gave his life to Christ in Ekena Avenue at Ihanchuku Motors Brown, his house. I preached that day, so I know them. I know the prominent Igbo boys in Aba. So I preached that day, he got born again. The next thing is that the sit at home order is shooting the Igbos on their feet. It is self-destructive. Shooting people and killing people during Monday sit at home order is not effective. Any day Nnamdi Kanu is being brought to court without so much disruption, let the Igbos in that environment and anywhere massively gather to give him moral support. Line the streets. You don't need to fight. You don't need to throw. You don't need to even to carry leaves. Just line the streets. Just be peaceful and well dressed. Wear your Igbo attire. If any person attacks you, we will know that they don't like the Igbos. They don't want them in the country. And then your desire for Biafra will be demonstrated and authenticated in the streets. Go there. Showore has been going to the court to stand by Nnamdi Kanu. Showore has been going. He's a Yoruba boy. He's from Ondo State. Why can't you, social media, Biafra will stand, you come here and talk rubbish? Go to the streets there. Go there and stand with him. Afro is fighting for you. Go there. If you live in Abuja, Nasarawa State, any of the states there, go there and stand. Don't fight. Don't destroy anything. Just wear your Igbo attire. Wear your cap. Stand there and wait for his arrival. And by the time people see that you are serious-minded for his release, the Supreme Court has said that he was brought for rendition from Kenya. Other courts, they can't keep this man in detention just like that without people showing their frustration and their anger with the detention. Don't come to the East and start disrupting businesses and terrorizing people sit at home. No. The day of the protest, go to where the court is, mobilize your people around that area, fill that area, and they will know you are serious-minded and they will take you seriously. Freedom does not come on a platter of gold, and it does not come from pressing keyboards or attacking people on social media. It comes by showing resilience, presence, being vocal, and being visible. The next trial date, try it. You will see that they will know you are serious-minded. But when he just goes there with only his lawyers, a few traditional rulers that will go and sit under trees and all that. No. Make people take you seriously. Let them take you seriously. And take yourself seriously. I am Dr. Charles Apoki. Justice has an emotional side. If Black Lives Matter did not demonstrate, the killers of George Floyd will have been set free. Black Lives Matter have brought justice to more black people in recent times than ever before. Let them know. Let the world know what is happening and let your presence attract attention.
Before I go do that 30 days challenge, before Igbo people supposed to embark on that 30 days challenge, let us first of all embark on 1 week challenge for Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, let all the Nigerians gather together, both outside Igbo. But yes, if you want us Igbos to join this 30 days challenge, let all of us gather together, do 1 week, just 1 week, 1 week, 7 days challenge for Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, let us gather, do 7 days challenge for Nnamdi Kanu. Only 7 days, 7 days, and we no ask for much. If you now want us to join you guys for that 30 days challenge, let us gather and do 7 days challenge for Nnamdi Kanu. In that way, we go now gather. You know, say Igbo, they get their own move. Their own move, they be like water. They be like ocean. They boom, go boom the whole nation. It's up. You go boom the whole nation. It's up. Our own, no, they take a easy. Understand? But make we gather, do only 1 week challenge for Nnamdi Kanu. In that way, we go now gather again. Confirm to Nigeria. Gonna know say Igbo, they get their own scores. They get their own scores. Let us boom. You know, let us do for Nnamdi Kanu first, because na him matter bring Nigeria down to today. Make I tell you, na that man matter, na him drop Nigeria to the okay. After the Nnamdi Kanu, after the whole Nnamdi Kanu, na that time na problem of Nigeria started. Immediately when we say the whole and bam, at that time the problem of Nigeria. No, now thing, you know, listen am now. And that immediately when we say the whole and bam, the problem of Nigeria, at that time now it starts. Another thing that makes Nigeria economy to sink down is Igbo sit at home. Go check. I no lie. Go check. Immediately when we say they start sitting at home, the economy start collapsing. No, they use Igbo people, they play. No, they play with Igbo people. No, they play. They play. The high time we start protest for Nnamdi Kanu release is better for Nigeria. The high time we start protest for Nnamdi Kanu release is better for Nigeria. If you like hate Igbo, if you like hate demo, if you like hate demo, if you like hate demo, the pepper go still the pepper all of us. You go still the pepper all of us. The hard economy go still the touch all of us. The hardship go still the touch all of us. If you like hate Igbo, if you like Igbo, we go still the touch all of us. The high time make we protest for Nnamdi Kanu release. You see this challenge we wanna do, make we turn on to the root where bring this thing. And Nnamdi Kanu at arrest, now bring all those things.